Jamaica has its first confirmed case of monkeypox. The patient is a male who recently traveled from the United Kingdom. He presented to the public health system on July 5th, having arrived on the island some 5 days earlier. The patient has been isolated, having confirmatory tests done, and his close contacts quarantined following contact tracing, which will continue if necessary. The confirmation of this first case has triggered our emergency protocols in line with international health regulations protocols. Among other things, our Emergency Operations Center has been activated. A review of all isolation facilities is to be done to look at the capacity to manage both monkeypox and COVID-19. The necessary health protocols, including surveillance, clinical management, lab management, as well as infection prevention and control, are being completed for the distribution to health teams island-wide. And sensitization of the health team and members of the public, which began more than a month ago, is being enhanced.
But I just want to stress that the monkeypox disease is in fact a mild disease for what we are used to and what we have been seeing so far across the world. The WHO report at the end of June had in fact recorded about 3,500 cases, and there was only one fatality of these cases. So it is fairly mild disease. However, the public needs to be aware of the risk of getting the disease, and so therefore to take the necessary precautions. This press conference is about increasing awareness so that, for example, travelers that are coming in, persons would, if they would develop any kind of symptoms, any kind of rash, then you should seek help. You should stay home for the first part, isolate yourself, and you should inform your medical practitioner that you're coming to visit so that the necessary precautions can be taken. And protect yourself, of course, when you go out from the risk of, protect others, I should say, from the risk of getting the disease by covering any kind of rash that you have. And of course, wearing a mask. The fact is that if you are carrying out the COVID precautions in terms of wearing the mask, keeping your physical distancing, then you will prevent the spread of monkeypox as well.